So mal, wird's eigentlich mal wieder Tag oder wie? Wie spät haben wir's denn? Ah, 3:30. Da ist noch ein bisschen dunkel. Selbst in Liberty City. Pass auf, ich hol dir mal drauf. Mit dem Geldtransporter geht das schon. Holt ein bisschen mehr raus. Geht's weg da. Hey, Sonntagsfahrer. Halt das. So leicht geht das. Im amerikanischen Berufsverkehr. Oh Gott, eine Baustelle. Und mit durch. Moment. Ein bisschen zu weit, oder? Da hat mich gerade ein bisschen um 3 Meter verbremst. Ach, der Francis. Das war dieser Bulle, oder wie? Ja, Moment einmal. Da unten mitten auf der Straße. Wo da heute einpacken.
That's why you are gonna die alone.
Get in there! Get off me, okay?
Okay. Have a nice day. Hey, Jimmy, how you doing? Come on, Jimmy, let's go to my office.
Okay, that's it, sir.
You're undercover, as in deep.
Hey, Chief.
Hey, Mitch, looking good. Gastric bypass worked out well for you, I see.
Yeah, thanks. I'll tell my therapist about you. Tell him my boss keeps sexually harassing me.
Oh, yeah, you wish. I could use a drink. You?
No.
Oh, the motherfucker thinks he can drag me down.
What's wrong now?
Oh, man. Sure. Listen, where to begin? I don't know. Let me put it like this. If a guy makes a mistake, should that ruin his life? Now, people don't understand how life is. Life is like a bowl of fruit, slowly rotting in a hot kitchen.
I don't give a fuck about the life lessons, friend. What do you want?
I'm a good guy. He's got it all wrong. He's got... But one stain on my character, and I'm finished. I want to make a difference.
What?
Some lawyer. This big white shoe firm. Thinks he's a crusader. Some morality cunt who takes photos of guys in the shower at the gym and then jacks off on his wife's face.
Hey, enough! Enough.
Sorry. Look, the guy's name is Tom Goldberg. Thinks he's got something on me. Gonna go to the DA with it. Use it to get into Congress.
Okay.
Yeah. So, it's him or me. And it might as well be him, right? But, he's hard to get to. Guy's got a bodyguard, limo, everything. You're gonna need to get one-on-one with him.
Not in the showers.
Not in the showers, a job interview. Then, you can steal some files I need.
An interview?
Sure. It'll be easy. You're an immigrant. They're almost legally bound to interview you. But, get yourself a suit.
Okay.
I will email you the details. You're a good man, Niko Bellic. A good man!
Coming from you, that means a lot.
It does.
Ja gut. Jetzt muss ich wieder ins Internetcafé. Mir einen Termin ausmachen. Für ein Vorstellungsgespräch. Oh Gott. Das schaffen wir schon, oder? Ich mein, wenn man mit dem Geldtransporter vorfährt, da kann man nichts verkehrt machen. Macht gleich mal einen guten Eindruck. Das ist irgendwo da vorne, ha? Ey, der Geschmack. Na so, mal, wo ist denn das? Am anderen Ende, oder wie? Hoppala. Gottes Willen. Das war nicht meine Absicht. Burgershot. Im Moment habe ich keinen Hunger auf fettige Burger. Ja, vielleicht sollte ich mich abbiegen. Ja, wie ist das da? Einbahnstraße. Nicht für mich. Sag das, da haben wir schon. Eine Parkmöglichkeit. Unter der Brücke. Man ist doch ein bisschen zivilisiert, oder? Okay, Buben, da bin ich. Ja, und das ist ja nicht schön, wie die ausschaut. Gefährlich. Gottes Willen. Alles Verbrecher. Und das schaut ziemlich versifft aus, wie es ausschaut. Ja, pass auf. Klicke auf den Link der Anwaltskanzlei. Wo? Hier da. Tom Goldberg. Die Karriereseite, die haben wir da. Und in die Sende einen Lebenslauf. Gottes Willen. Wo ist das? Mein Lebenslauf. Der Lebenslauf von Nico Bellic. Natürlich, Praktikant in der Friedenstruppe. Besondere Fähigkeiten. Ja, und jetzt? Wir melden uns. Ach so. Das war der McCreary, der Francis, bei dem waren wir gerade. Berufliche Chancen, die brauche ich nicht. Ah, der Roman, der braucht die Antwort. Ja gut. Ich komme wieder raus. Rettet. Die schriftliche erledigt. Und ihr speichert. Ja und jetzt? Jetzt muss ich wahrscheinlich warten, bis die Zement oder wie? Oh, Francis.
I've sent off the application. I've always wanted to be a lawyer.
You can be whatever you like. It's the land of opportunity. Any fool can become president. Call when you hear about the interview.
Das heißt, dabei machen wir was anderes. Ah, da schau her. Moment. Automatische Nachricht. Ach so. Das dauert ein bisschen. Das heißt, wir fahren jetzt. Moment. Ah, da schau her. Da wollen wir hin. Der ist gleich am Sick. Wir fahren zu Playboy Joe. Der hat Arbeit für uns. Und? Da im Wunder. Der Onkel Playboy. Mal schauen, was er weiß. Wahrscheinlich nur Blödsinn.
Hey, what's up, money?
Hey,
Come on. Ladies, give me a few minutes. Business calls. This is my time. Look at it. All them tiny ants down there. Man, shit is crazy.
so I guess you do okay.
Yeah, okay. But, what about you? What motivates you?
Well, I need money. This pays. I can do it. I don't care if I live or die. And I'm looking for someone.
Someone special?
Yeah, you could say that. So, why do you need me?
Well, I'm always looking for good guys. Build an army. But in my work, the people change. Money changes people, not me. I'm still a hustler from these streets. And I heard good things about you.
Okay, but I'm warning you. I'm not low budget.
Do I look like I live low budget, dog?
Yo, player,
Fuck you want?
there's someone here for you. Dwayne or some shit, I don't know.
Motherfucker got out? Damn. My dude!
What's up, son? What's going down?
You didn't tell me you was getting out? Man, I would've laid on a party, got some freaks out. Shit.
I called. Couple of times.
Man, hey, Dwayne, this is Nico.
Hey.
Nico Dwayne Forge. Taught me everything I know.
Not everything.
So, hey, man, where you staying? You need some money? What's the plan?
What you mean, what's the plan? Pick up where we left off. I'm out, I'm back. We keep on rolling.
You say we?
Yeah, we. Unless you too fine. What? Your silk sheet, fancy dress wearing life too big for me now?
Oh, hey, now I ain't saying that. You know what's mine is yours. You need help, just holler. Hell, this Slavic motherfucker any good, he can help you. But you know I do anything I can. But right now, we gotta roll. Just give me 1 second.
Ain't folk quick to forget.
Some folk.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Where did you get out from?
Preschool.
Okay, Dwayne, we gotta roll. Please make yourself at home. Hell, this is your home. Let's jet, money.
Motherfucker must think I'm an idiot.
We going to Castle Gardens. There's an alley we want to hit up just off the South Parkway.
Okay, Kumpel. Wir sind wieder mal unterwegs mit Playboy Joe. Wo möchte ja? Waffen deponieren. Das läuft schon. Dann fahren wir mal um.
You heard of Yusef Amir? Big real estate developer?
I don't know. I've heard a lot of names since I got here. This guy's a big developer. Are you and him having meetings about how to run the city?
Not yet, but I got an idea about how me and him can get friendly. Some Italian dudes have shut down his building site on some union bullshit. They all up in the place, strapped to their fronts with hard hats on and shit. Won't let nobody get near it.
What are you suggesting we do about it?
You gonna go in there and get them mafia types off the site. Meantime, I'm gonna tell Yusuf how good we've been to him. That cat and me is gonna be tight as 2 cellmates on lockdown after this.
What's in it for me?
I'll give you what you after. Cold, hard cash. That what you chasing, right?
Amongst other things. I don't know how good your plan is though, Playboy. If I get rid of the guys on the site, then won't there be more? If it's a union problem, doesn't that make it bigger than a few guys with guns?
Shit. Union is just another word for mafia. These cats is looking to squeeze our boy Amir for dollars just because he ain't from here. When we fuck they people up, they'll realize that he ain't a cat to be messed with, and they'll back off, okay? Shit, Yusef is from Dubai. He's an African, and he's coming to Liberty City to make it big. It's my duty to watch this cat's back. My ancestors came from Africa. Now he's coming out a bit later. Me and him could be cousins, shit.
I think you might want to look at the map, Playboy. Dubai isn't in Africa.
Shit, it all the same. Africa, America, Dubai. It don't matter. We're brothers. Spiritually, I mean. And that's the important bit.
Ja gut, der erzählt mir was von einem Yusuf, der aus Dubai kommt. Wahrscheinlich ein Scheich, der 2 Geld hat. Das ist meistens so. Und jetzt sind wir scheinbar gerade am Broadway, oder? Kann das sein? Ich kenne mich da gar nicht so aus. Aber ich schätze mal. Wow, schön. Den wollen wir später anschauen. Jetzt muss ich erstmal zu Yusuf. Diese Chaos stiften. Ja, und da los. Nicht packen. Fahren. So geht da nie was vorwärts.